Draw a letter-sized rectangle. Press P for center to page alignment. Draw a curve using 3-point curve tool. Click on top edge, drag, hold Ctrl, click on bottom edge, adjust curve, release. Fill color using Smart Fill tool. Delete curve. Create a copy of this object. Remove fill. Left-click on cross mark on color palette. Hold the node and place it on the edge as shown here. Place the pivot point at the corner of that object. Slightly rotate from top side. Fill color using Smart Fill tool. Select same object, click on mirror vertically. Hold the corner and place it on the edge of rectangle as shown here. Fill color using Smart Fill tool. Delete that object. Change color. Reverse the color of one of those objects. These are the colors I have used. Change color of this object too. Fill white color to this background. Select Bezier or pen tool and simply draw lines as shown here. Fill color alternatively using Smart Fill tool. Delete these lines. Change color of single object using Interactive Fill tool. White to 10% black. Select all these yellow objects, go to Edit, Copy Properties from, tick on Fill, Option, press OK. Then click on the object from where you want to copy the fill. Select all, remove outline. Select these objects, go to Interactive Fill tool, click on Reverse Color. Select all, group. Place the text. To create this badge, hold Ctrl and draw a circle. Press Ctrl Q to convert to curves. Then select the top node using Shape tool. Open the curve and close it again. Click twice on Close Curve. Select Circle, Distort, Zipper distortion. Enter zipper amplitude, about 15 or as per your requirement. Zipper frequency, 6 or more as you like. Click on Smooth Distortion. Create a copy of this object and click on Clear Distortion. Select both and press E and C to align centers horizontally and vertically. Hold Shift and decrease size. Click on Contour, Contour inside, 2 steps, about 2.5 millimeters offset. Right-click and break Contour Group. Ungroup objects. Select Attributes Eyedropper tool, copy and fill color. Draw a rectangle. Press Ctrl-Q to convert to curves. Select this left node and click on Add Node on option bar. Node is created in the middle. Select the middle node and drag in upward direction. Copy and fill color. Rotate to 30° towards left. Hold Ctrl and rotate from left to right. Press right-click to create a copy. Place it as shown here and group. Select all. Remove outline group. Select both group and press C. Move using top arrow key. Group. Place it on the curve and adjust size of the badge. Apply drop shadow. Adjust opacity and feather. Select all, group, remove outline.